When I made my first faceless AI video, I just jumped in. No plan, no real workflow, just vibes and hope. And let's just say that it didn't go well. I wasted credits, burned time, and ended up with a video I didn't even want to upload. So now, I plan. And in this video, I'll show you how I map out my faceless AI YouTube videos step by step in a way that saves time, credits, and frustration. Step 1. Choose a focused topic. Start with a tight, clear idea, not something broad like how to use AI, but something specific, like 3 ways to use AI for passive income, or things I wish I knew before using AI tools. A focused topic makes everything else easier, from script to visuals. Step 2. Write your script like a narrator would speak. Faceless doesn't mean lifeless. Don't write like you're blogging. Write like you're talking. I write as if I'm having a calm conversation. Short lines, one idea at a time, and clear pauses. It makes a world of difference when your voiceover feels natural. Step 3. Visualize before generating anything. This step saved me from wasting so many credits. Now I ask myself, what should this line look like visually? Is it a character talking, a cutaway, a reaction shot? Planning this before generating keeps things intentional and efficient. No more random guesses. Step 4. Stick to a simple editing flow. When it's time to bring everything together, I keep things clean and intentional. I focus on matching visuals with the narration, keeping the pacing smooth, and making sure the video flows naturally from start to finish. Nothing overly complicated, just a process that works. Planning doesn't take the fun out of content creation. It gives you control. And in the world of AI tools and faceless videos, that control makes a big difference. So if you're starting your journey, don't skip this step. Map things out, start small, and keep refining. And if you're figuring this out like I am, subscribe. I'll keep sharing what works, what flops, and what's real, one video at a time. Bye.